Hey guys.
Mm.
Oh.
Oh.
No. Mm.
I'm sorry. Hiccups are bad, aren't they?
No fun.
Yeah, I know.
That one, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah?
Oh no. Where'd you go?
Where did I go? We went to get milk. And yogurt for you.
More yogurt and milk.
Hey guys. Here's my tongue. Oh no, I thought they went away.
No,
Oh.
that's not fun, is it?
What?
Nothing.
Oh.
So, how you doing, Mal?
That was the net thing.
Was it fun?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yes, it was fun.
Whoa.
What's that?
That was,
Avenged Sevenfold.
That's kind of cool.
yeah.
It's too
Are you cold, Mallory?
No.
Okay.
Well, they do their job.
They did good, right?
He's a good doctor, right?
How did it stay there?
You have hiccups?
Yeah.
Yeah. That took like 5 minutes.
Yeah, I know.
Because we've been waiting for you 5 minutes. You want to put on your seatbelt? Here.
You're gonna have to put yours on, though.
Yeah.
We need some yoga music.
You want some yogurt?
Do you want yogurt?
No.
No, I don't even have a
Good
No, you go in your
music.
mouth.
Music.
Good music.
What do you want?
Good music.
You don't want this.